This video shows how to buy shares of Kingsway Financial Services using the ticker KFS as the search term. Kingsway Financial Services is a financial services company listed on NASDAQ under KFS. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To place a trade, you will need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can buy shares. On the platform, use the search bar and enter the ticker KFS to find Kingsway Financial Services. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to open the correct stock page. Review the basic company information in the price chart on the stock page to confirm you have the right security. Make sure the company name and the NASDAQ ticker KFS match the listing you selected. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirmation. Once the trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this example.